In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change lock screen timeout period on any iPhone. Today, I'm gonna use iPhone 15 Pro. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, head over to Settings. Then scroll down a bit until you find Display and Brightness here. On Display and Brightness, we need to scroll down again, and that's how we can easily find Auto Lock feature. If we get into it, we'll be able to set it up. We can select lock screen timeout period from 30 seconds up to 5 minutes and even never, just by activating any of these options. If we choose 3 minutes here, it means that after 3 minutes of inactivity, our screen will turn off and the phone will be locked. And also we can set this option to never if we don't want our screen to be automatically locked after a certain period of time. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.